International Airport's passenger and cargo volume has grown annually over its 40 years of operation. While constantly improving service and equipment, we have striven to build a sustainable green airport. In 2020, Water Resources Management Plan won Platinum Award in ACI's 35 million passengers category. Through preventative maintenance, equipment management, and regular inspection of equipment, has achieved a 1.3% reduction in per-passenger water usage. To improve water usage efficiency, we use smart equipment monitoring system. Regularly inspects all equipment, from drinking fountains and purifiers to water pressure systems. And installed water-saving equipment in restrooms, reducing waste from faucets, toilets, and water pumps. Wastewater generated inside the airport is collected and put through several layers of filtration. The filtered water is automatically and manually checked daily, creating clean water with 50% fewer contaminants than allowed by national standards. The purified water is collected by a water truck and then used to water 4,200 trees. Taoyuan International Airport will continue to reduce carbon emissions, pursuing ACI's highest certification level to protect the global environment. Taoyuan International Airport, a green airport for a green future.